Hi everyone, welcome to Brainbush Institute. Welcome to this video. So in this video, I'm going to teach you the important problems which we got in the previous examinations of CBSE grade 10th. So as you know, my dear friends and students, so in this year we have the term 1 and term 2 examinations. So term 1 examination has been completed successfully. Now, so this year term 2 examination will start from April 26th. So that as a last minute preparation, so I'm posting this all the videos here. So I have collected all the questions, previous questions and important problems. So based on my experience, so I have collected all the problems from each and every chapter of the term 2. So I'm making the videos and I'm uploading the videos in our YouTube channel. So my dear friends, here one thing I need to tell you. So if you are watching this video at first time, so please kindly subscribe our channel and like it and share it, and please comment, my dear friends. Please you leave your comment. So if there are any suggestions or feedback about the video and feedback about my explanation and teaching skills, so please kindly comment. So I hope you understood. Please subscribe our channel. Please don't forget to hit the bell button to get more updates from our channel here. So what are we waiting for? Now let us start today's lesson now. Let us see quadratic equations. So let us. So the first of all, before going to the problem one, my friends here. So let us see the blueprint of quadratic equation. Means, so as you know, as per the new model of term 2 syllabus, term 2 examination, so we get 2 marks, 3 marks and 4 marks problems. So from this chapter, so the standard paper of the mathematics, we get only 2 marks, we don't get 3 marks and 4 marks problem. And whereas if you see the basic question paper, you will get 1 2 marks problem, 1 3 marks problem. So totally 5 marks will get. We can see the basic paper. Whereas standard paper only with 4 marks problem, 4 marks we will get from quadratic equations here. Okay. So once again, I'm requesting my friends before starting the lesson. So please kindly subscribe the channel and like it and share it and comment here. Thank you very much. So your mom and I study here. So okay. So let us start today's problem. So let us see the first problem. The problem number 1. So the question is, if the quadratic equation px square minus 2 into root 5 px plus 15 is equal to 0 has 2 equal roots, then find the value of the p. So this question you can see in 2015 paper. So this question has got from for 1 mark. So as we don't have 1 mark for this year, so this question may come as a 2 marks problem here. So let us solve this question. So the first of all, let us write the given equation, my friends here. So the given equation is px square minus 2 into root 5 px plus 15 is equal to 0. So this is quadratic equation here. So as they have the 2 equal roots, we need to find the value of p. So you might have seen many problems in the exercise of your textbook here. So whenever they have the 2 equal roots, my friends here, so we need to find its discriminant. So which is denoted by delta. So some of the textbook also it is denoted by d. D or delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. So as you know, my dear friends here, so if b square minus 4ac value is greater than 0, then so roots are real and distinct. And if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then roots are imaginary. And greater than 0, then real and distinct. And next, and if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then roots are equal. So this we are very perfect here. Okay. So my dear friends here, in this question, our given quadratic equation is having 2 equal roots, so that their discriminant must be equal to 0. So that I am writing is equal to 0 as the 2 equal roots are mentioned in the question here. I hope you understood. Okay. Now b square minus 4ac. So let us see, my dear friends, here b is nothing but coefficient of x here. So let us substitute. I'm substituting b square is equal to 2 into root 5 into p whole square minus 4 into A is nothing but coefficient of x square. Now A is equal to P here, and C is equal to constant, that is 15. That is equal to 0. Now, my dear friends, here 2 into root 5 whole square is nothing but, so 2 square is nothing but 4. So whereas root 5 whole square is nothing but 5, and P square is nothing but P square, minus 15 fourths 60 P is equal to 0. Now 4 5 is 20, and 20 P square is equal to 60, sorry, minus 60 P is equal to 0. Now 20 P square, let it be, my dear friends, here, and minus 60 P send the side, it becomes here plus 60 P. Now, my dear friends, here if you observe the left hand side, there is a P square, nothing but it has here 2 P's, the product of 2 P's here. So 1 P I am cancelling this 1 P. So moreover, as we need to find the P value, and let us let be P here, and 20 send aside. Now we get here 60 by 20. So if we cancel 21s and 23s, and P is equal to 3. That's it. So this is the P value, my dear friends, here. So whenever is given 2 equals, definitely you need to take the help of B square minus 4AC is equal to 0, which is called as a discriminant here. Got it? So I hope you understood. So kindly send the message to my WhatsApp number. This is my WhatsApp number 7989804600 for more problems here. Okay. Now let us see the second problem now. The second problem is, this is the most important problem, my friends. Sorry, this question you can see in the 2015 paper. So this carried 2 marks problem. So it has come for 2 marks problem. So just a little bit some technical question it is. So let us see what technique we are going to use now. Okay. Now the given quadratic equation is P of x is equal to 4x square plus 4bx minus of a square minus b square is equal to 0. This is given quadratic equation now. Understood? So let us see, my dear friends, here. So we need to find the x value, nothing but we need to solve it. So we need to factorize it here. Got it? So to do this here, just I am writing this equation as 4x square plus 4bx, and please multiply minus inside, children. So minus into a square is equal to minus a square, and minus into minus plus b square is equal to 0. So my dear friends, here, so either we can solve this question by using the formula, but some technical steps, by arranging some technical steps we can understand. So or by using any algebraic identity also, like a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square and a square minus b square. So by using these formula also, we can any one of the formula we can solve this problem. So to use this, my dear friends, here, so if you observe very carefully, the first term is the 4x square, and next term is the 4bx, and the next is children b square. So I'm writing together this c. So to make them as either a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. So 4x square plus 4bx plus b square and minus a square I'm writing here, and is equal to 0. Let us write. So if you observe these three terms, first 3 terms here, this 4x square I'm writing as 2x whole square. And so immediately I'm not writing, children. So later we can write here. Now b square as is I'm writing. So my dear friends and students, if you see here, 2x whole square and plus b square. So if you observe the formula, a plus b whole square is equal a square plus 2ab plus b square. Means the first and last term, the terms of the both they have the squares, means they are a perfect squares here. So if you see the middle term, it will be in the form of 2 into a into b. So where a is the first term and b is the second term here. So if you see the, my dear friends, here the first term is 2x whole square. So here we need to write this space in the form of 2ab. So 2 into, and a, what is a, my dear friends? That is 2x, and next b square, and b is nothing but b. So if you multiply again, you get here 4bx here. So 2x whole square plus 2 into 2x into b. Please multiply, my reference. You will get 4bx. 2 to the 4, 4b into x is equal to 4bx, and plus b square, and minus a square is equal to 0. Now, if you observe these 3 terms, my friends, so it is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. So whereas we can write in the form of a plus b whole square. So where a is equal to 2x, so that I'm writing as 2x, and where b is b only, now 2x plus b whole square and minus a square is equal to 0. I hope understood, my dear friends. So these two steps are the most important for solving this problem here. Okay. Now, please kindly you can rewind the video and you can once again watch it if you don't understand. Okay. Right. Now, again in this step, 2x plus b whole square minus a square. If you see this, it is in the form of a square minus b square. So if you consider these terms within the bracket, if you consider as one term, so for example, this I am taking as a, this I am taking as b. So a square minus b square. So I think you might know a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into and a minus b. So as a is equal to x plus b, so 2x plus b, 2x plus b plus a of again 2x plus b minus a is equal to 0. I hope you understood. And next, let me rub this right. Now, my dear friends, here, so as a product of these two terms is equal to 0, so each and every term is equal to 0 here. So 2x plus b plus a is equal to 0 and 2x plus b minus a is equal to 0. Now, please, my dear friends, here 2x let be here. Why? Because as there is need of finding x value, I'm writing x term in the left side and remaining all terms I'm sending the side. So by sending b plus a, we can get it as minus of b plus a. And again, 2x means here 2 I am sending that side. Now by sending to that side, I'm rubbing this 2, so you may get confused. So x is equal to minus of b plus a by 2. So this is the solution of it. And by using this one more solution also we get here. Now 2x let be here, my dear friends, and b minus a send that side. By sending minus a to that side, it becomes here plus a. By sending plus b to that side, it becomes here minus b. Now x is equals, and 2 send that side, we get here a minus b by 2. So the solution is, so this we can write as minus of b plus a by 2, comma a minus b by 2. So this is the solution of given quadratic equation here. So I hope you understood. So let us go to next problem now. Let us see the next problem. The next problem is, so this problem we got in the same 2015 paper for 3 marks problem. Okay. Now let us see, my dear friends. Root 3x square minus 2 into root 2x minus 2 into root 3 is equal to 0. So we need to solve for x, nothing but we need to solve this equation here. So as we got 3 marks for children, so we can get for 2 marks also same problem. Okay. Right. Now let us see. So this is also some technical questions. So we need to use some technical. So my dear friends, here by splitting the middle term, we need to solve this here. So this is the quadratic equation which is given. Now as it is, I'm writing now root 3x square. And my dear friends, here this middle term I am writing as minus 3 into root 2x plus root 2x. So if you see there, from minus 3 into root 2, if you subtract root 2x, you will get 2 into root 2x, that, and which gets here minus here. I think got it. Okay. So this is the important step, my dear friends. Once again, I repeat this step. Minus 2 into root 2x, I have written as minus 3 into root 2x plus root 2 into x. And minus, so these 2 root 3, I am writing as root 2, we can write as the product of root 2 into root 2. And root 3, I'm as it is, I'm writing. Now that is equal to 0. So this is the most important step, my friends. Please kindly rewind this video to understand this. Okay. So now, if you see this from these two steps here, so you don't find any common things here. So why? Because in splitting method, so compulsory there is near some common steps here. So that to make it as a common, as there is a root 3 here, so root 3 x square as it is, I'm writing here. And these 3 I am writing as, please kindly see here in the root 3 terms. So this we can write as a root 3 into root 3. How can you write here? Root 3 into root 3 is equal to root 3 whole square. Got it? So a square root get cancelled and 3 we get here. So 3 we can write as a root 3 into root 3. So as it is, I wrote children, 3 I wrote as a 3 into root 3 into root 3. Same here also, root 2 into root 2 is equal to, so that 2 I have written as a root 2 into root 2. Got it? And into root 2 as is I'm writing, and into x, and plus root 2 x also as is I'm writing, and the rest of the things as is I'm writing. So root 2 into root 3 is nothing but root 6. Now that is equal to 0. Got it? Now let us see, my dear friends. So let us see here. If you observe these from these two steps, root 3 there is common, my dear friends, root 3. So I am taking root 3 as the common, root 3x also, sorry. Now root 3x I am taking the common. Now there will be x, and again root 3 into x means these two terms I have taken the common. So root 3 into root 2 is left over. So if you multiply these two, root 3 into root 2 is equal to root 6. Got it? And the plus, and root 2x minus root 2 into root 6. In this, root 2 is common here. So I am taking root 2 as common. So in this first term, x is left over. I am writing x here. And root 2 already we have taken common, and root 6 is left over, and root 6 I am writing here. It's a wonderful problem, my dear friends here. Only this is the most important step, these two steps over here. Right? Now, again, these steps if you see here, so if you consider the terms within the bracket as a one term, so these are the two terms, my dear friends, entire equation. So here x minus root 6 is the common for the two terms here. So x minus root 6 I am taking as a common. There we get here, my dear friends. So root 3 x plus, and here root 2 will be left over. Now root 2 I am writing this equal to 0. Now next, so here as the product of these two terms is equal to 0, then this we can make them equal to both each and every term equal to 0, children, or any one term also equal to 0. But we need to make each and every term is equal to 0. So that the first of all I am taking here x minus root 6 is equal to 0. So that what you get, my reference, x is equal to root 6. And again the second term, and root 3x plus root 2 is also is equal to 0. So as we need to find the x value, and root 3 into x I'm writing here, and plus root 2 send that side, we get here minus root 2. Now x is equal to minus root 2 by root 3. By sending root 3 that side becomes denominator. So it becomes as under root of 2 by 3. So the solution is, the conclusion solution is root 6 comma minus root of 2 by 3. Good, my friends here. So this is the these are the x value. This is the solution of root 3x square minus 2 into root 2x, and minus 2 into root 3 is equal to 0. So once again I'm repeating, these two steps are the most important. Please kindly once again rewind the video and please understand here. Okay, if you don't understand, please kindly message us. 7989804600 is my number. You can directly talk to me. Right now, let us see one more problem. Right, children. So this is the most important question, the fourth question. If minus 5 is the root of the quadratic equation, 2x square plus px minus 15 is equal to 0, and the quadratic equation p of x square plus x plus k is equal to 0 as equal roots, find the value of k. So my dear friends here, so this question we got in 2016 paper for 2 marks we got here, for 2 marks. So it's the most important problem, my dear friends here. So please kindly listen very carefully. Okay, so these can be done in easy manner. So it's look like very long problem. So as we are writing subjective test, my friends, we are not supposed to go through with the shortcut methods here. So definitely we need to arrange each and every step here. So now let us see. So the given quadratic equation is 2x square plus px minus 15 is equal to 0. So this is quadratic equation. I'm changing the color. So what do we need to find, my friends here? We need to find the value of k. Value of k we need to find here. But the thing is, if you observe these two equations, there is one more unknown value, that is p. So to find the value of k, definitely first of all we need to find the value of p. I hope you understand. Okay. So first of all we need to find the value of p, and later by using the p we can find the value of k here. Got it? So this is that. So my dear friends here, so if you understand this question, minus 5 is a root of the quadratic equation 2x square plus px minus 15 is equal to 0. Did you get my point? So minus 5 is only root for this equation. It is not a root for this equation. And moreover, the quadratic equation P of x square plus x plus k is equal to 0 has equal roots. As it is mentioned, has only this equation has equal roots here, not this equation. Got it? So why this equation is given means to find the p-value. So by using this equation, we need to find the p-value. And by using this p-value, so by substituting here, we can get the value of k by using equal root strategy here. I think you might understand. Okay. So let us see, my friends. So let me clear this here. So by using this equation, first of all, let us find the p-value. How can you find this question here? How can you find the p-value? So what is given in this question? Minus 5 is the root of the given quadratic equation. So minus 5 is the root. Root is nothing but the value of the variable. So which satisfies this entire equation. Which satisfies means which makes it equal to 0. So that, my friends, here x is equal to minus 5. Please substitute here. So definitely as it is root, children. So definitely it makes it equal to 0. So that's what already we have made equal to 0. So just we need to substitute minus 5 in this equation. Let us substitute in this equation. X is equal to minus 5. In the place of x, please remove the x and substitute minus 5. So here minus 5 whole square and plus p into minus 5 and minus 15 is equal to 0. As we got here, minus 5 whole square is nothing but 25. 25 to 50 and minus 5 into p is equal to minus 5p and minus 15 is equal to 0. Got it? And minus 5p and 50 minus 15 is equal to 35. So that is equal to plus 35 and that is equal to 0. And again, my friends, as we need to find the p value, so minus 5p please let me here and plus 35 please send the side. We get here minus 35. Now, so we can cancel here minus and minus, and later by sending minus 5 to that side also you can cancel directly. So here as we need to find the p value, so p let be here and 5 send that side so that we can get here 35 by 5 and 5 ones are 5 sevens are. So we got finally p is equal to 7. Got it? So this character is over. Now by using these p value and by using equal root strategy, we need to find the k value. That's it. So let us first of all substitute 7 in this given equation, second equation. Okay. So first of all, let us write the second equation, my friends. The given second equation is p of x square plus x plus k is equal to 0. So let us substitute. Sorry, here I mean let bracket here. So let us substitute p value here. P means 7 of x square plus x of plus k is equal to 0. Now please 7 multiply inside. So 7 into x square is equal to 7x square plus 7 into x is equal to 7x and plus k is equal to 0. Okay. And what is it saying in the question? These quadratic equation as equal roots. Means already we have seen the first question, a quadratic equation as equal roots, then its discriminant compulsory definitely it is equal to 0. So that we need to use the discriminant. So which is delta is equal to b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Got it? So what is b, my dear friends? It is the coefficient of x. So which is 7. So 7 whole square, please substitute here. And minus 4 into a, which is the coefficient of x square. So what is here? 7 and 7 I'm writing. And c is nothing but constant, which is k. So I'm substituting here k. That is equal to 0. Now 7 7 the 49 minus 4 7 the 28k and is equal to 0. So as we need to find the k value, I'm writing here minus 28k here and plus 49, and that's it becomes here minus 49. So here we can cancel minus minus and k is equal to 49 by 28. So is there any cancellation, my friends? So if you observe carefully, there is a cancellation. It goes in 7 table, 7 7 the 49 and 7 4s. So the value finally we got the answer as xk is equal to 7 by 4. Got it? So this is the complete entire equation, my friends. By using this equation, by using the minus 5 0 2, we have found the p value that we got the 7. And by substituting p value and by using the strategy of equal roots, so we have taken its discriminant is equal to 0 by substituting all the values, then we got the k value as the 7 by 4 here. Okay, 7 by 4. So this is the problem, my friends here. I hope you understand. So please practice more and more times. Definitely these type of the problems we make it here. Okay, now let us go to the next problem. Wow, 2017 2 marks problem. So let me read this question and find the value of the P for which one root of quadratic equation Px square minus 14x plus 8 is equal to 0 is 6 times the other. Is 6 times the other. So this problem can be done in two ways, my friends here. Can be done in two ways here. So I'm going to teach in very shortcut method here. Means we don't follow the shortcut method, but for 2 marks problem, so I'm going to arrange the sufficient steps here. Okay. Now, so the first of all, let us see, my friends, the given equation. Let us write now. The given equation is px square minus 14x plus 8 is equal to 0. This is the given quadratic equation, my friends here. Now let us assume that the one root is alpha and one root is beta. Got it? So my dear friends, here if you see this, the given relation between the two roots is, so one root of the given quadratic equation is 6 times other. If means alpha is the one root, then the beta would be the 6 times of alpha, means we can write as a 6 alpha. Got it? So alpha comma 6 alpha are the both are the roots here. So as you know, my dear friends, here, so the factors of these roots are, so we can write as here x minus alpha into x minus 6 alpha, okay, is equal to 0. Just as per our assumption, so the roots are alpha comma 6 alpha. So x minus alpha into x minus 6 alpha is equal to 0. Why? Because as we know, my dear friends, here, for example, x minus alpha into x minus beta is equal to, then x square minus of alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. So this is the formula to find quadratic equation when alpha comma beta are given. Got it? So by using this strategy, so as we have assumed alpha is the one root and 6 alpha is one more root. So this we can write in this form, x minus alpha as I wrote. So in the place of beta, I wrote as minus 6 alpha. Got it? So I hope you understand here. So my dear friends, here, please note this. Right. Now x minus alpha into x square minus 6 alpha is equal to 0. So let us substitute, my dear friends, x into x is equal to x square and minus x into 6 alpha is equal to 6x alpha, and minus alpha into x is equal to minus alpha x, and minus into minus plus, and 6 into alpha is equal to 6 alpha square is equal to 0. Now x square minus 6 alpha x minus alpha x is equal to minus 7 alpha x plus 6 alpha square is equal to 0. Okay, so you can do this. Otherwise, you can directly substitute in this formula, children. X square of x minus x of alpha plus beta plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. So by substituting alpha is equal to alpha and beta is equal to 6 alpha, also same, you get the same answer here. Got it? So this is another way. Next, so I hope you understand this here. So this is the equation we got as per our assumption. As per our assumption, the first root is alpha, second root is 6 alpha we have taken, children. So but the given equation is px square minus 14x plus 8 is equal to 0. I'm writing here the first equation, px square minus 14x plus 8 is equal to 0. So this is the equation 1. Now this we can write as, okay, we can write as here, I'm taking the p common, children. X square minus 14x by p plus 8 by p is equal to 0. Or else you can divide the entire equation with p on both sides. So definitely we'll get here. So p is in that side. Then you get here x square minus 14x by p plus 8 by p is equal to 0. Got it? So just now compare these two equations, my friends here. Compare these two equations. By comparing these two equations, what do you get, my friends here? So in the place of x, so the coefficient of x is equal to here minus 14 by p, here 7 alpha x here. Otherwise, you can write, my friends here, x square minus 7 alpha x plus 6 alpha square is equal to, so x square minus 14x by p plus 8 by p. So if you compare, my friends here, so the coefficient of x is minus 7 alpha, here coefficient of x is minus 40, which is both are equal here. As both are equal, so we can equate them. Their coefficients also we can equate them. Then what you get, my friends, minus 7 alpha is equal to minus 14 by p. Got it? And minus get cancelled. Here 7 ones, 7 twos, whereas alpha is equal to 2 by P. Got it? But we need to find the P value, no? We need to find the P value. So that I am using one more thing. So let us equate this constant term, my friends. Let us equate this constant term. So I'm going to change the color here so that you can understand very easily. Now, by equating constant terms here, 6 alpha square is equal to 8 by P. Okay, then alpha value we got, my reference. Alpha value please substitute here, which is 2 by P. So 6 of 2 by P whole square is equal to 8 by P. Now 6 of 2 by P whole square is nothing but 4 by P is equal to 4 by P square and 8 by P. Got it? Now here I'm writing, my reference. So 6 4 the 24 P square is equal to 8 by P. Now P and square get cancelled and let us multiply crossly, and 8 into P is equal to 8P, and that is equal to 24 ones are 24, and whereas if you cancel 8 ones are 8 threes are, now P is equal to 3 we get here. Got it, my friends? So finally we got the P value, then P is equal to 3. Got it? Okay, I hope you understood. So let us see one more problem here. So please kindly rewind this video. Definitely you are going to understand, my friends. Okay, right. Right, the next question is, if x is equal to 3 is one root of quadratic equation, x square minus 2kx minus 6 is equal to 0, then find the value of k. Find the value. So very simple, children. Already we have seen this type of problem. I think third problem, see you. As one root is given, we need to find the k value. Very simple. So one root means by substituting these 3 in this, so definitely we'll get the k value. Okay. So please take the time and you substitute this, and please comment your answer. Please comment your answer under this video. Comment your answer. Got it? Understood? If you don't get this problem, so you message me how to do this problem. How to do this problem? Please take the screenshot this and please send it to me to my WhatsApp number 7989804600. So I'm going to send this solution definitely. Okay, right. Now let us see the next problem. Right. So find the nature of the roots of the quadratic equation. Find the nature of the roots of the quadratic equation. 2x square minus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. So this is the 1 mark problem we got in the 2019 paper. So definitely, my friends, from the nature of the roots, definitely we get here. Definitely we get 2 marks problem or 3 marks problem. So please kindly concentrate it. So of course you have seen most of the problem which we discussed in this video. Most of the problems I've involved by using nature of the roots. Means, as you know, that nature of the roots can be found by using its discriminant, which is b square minus 4ac 4ac delta is equal to. Okay, so by using this value we can find its nature here. So let us see now. First of all, let us write the given quadratic equation, that is 2x square minus 4x and plus 3 is equal to 0. And my friends, here let us find its discriminant. So before finding, my friends, so compare this quadratic equation with its general form of quadratic equation. What is the general form of quadratic equation, my friends? That is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is general form of quadratic equation where a is not equal to 0. This is the condition. So compare the given equation with general form, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay. Now, so here a must not be is equal to 0, children. A must not be is equal to 0. Now, so my friends, by comparing these two equations, so in the place of x square coefficient, there is a here, there is 2. So a is equal to 2 and b is equal to minus 4 and c is equal to 3. So after picking this value, so let us find its discriminant, which is delta. Delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. So I already told, based on the value of the b square minus 4ac, what is the nature of the roots in the first problem. You can rewind this here. So that's what directly I'm substituting, and I will say what kind of the roots does this quadratic equation has. Directly I'm going to say. So let us substitute these values, my friends, here. And b is equal to minus 4. So minus 4 whole square minus 4 into a is nothing but 2 into c is nothing but 3. So let us multiply, children. Minus 4 whole square is nothing but plus 16 and minus 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. Wow, wonderful. And by substituting, so by subtracting 24, 16, 16 from, sorry, 24 from 16, we get here minus 8. So minus 8 is which is less than 0. So as we learned that, so I already told in the first problem, what is the nature of the roots based on the discriminant. So as the delta is less than 0, as delta is less than 0, so these quadratic equation, the roots are imaginary roots. What kind of roots, my friends, here? Imaginary roots here. Got it? So that's all for this lesson, my dear friends here. So these are the important 2 marks and 1 mark problems here. So in the next video, I am going to say 3 marks problem also. So please stay tuned. So please kindly subscribe our channel. Please don't forget, my dear friends. Please, it's my request. Okay, please support me by subscribing, and please kindly share it with your friends. And if you're a teacher, please share it with your student. Please kindly ask them to subscribe, and please comment, and please like it here. Thank you very much. Your mom and Study. Bye bye.